For today's video po, I'll be sharing a good news to everyone, every depositor. Medyo matutuwa dyan, lalo na sa may malalaking pera and sa mga taong medyo conservative or basically ayaw nang may risk sa pagde-deposit ng pera. Siyempre, sino ba naman ang may gusto nun? Now, pag-uusapan po natin ang recent update ni PDIC or the Philippine Deposit Insurance Corporation. Samahan niyo ako, pag-usapan natin tong latest news nila. Sit back and let's discuss coming right up. Hi guys, this is Pat and you're in Pat Quintos Review TV. So if you're new to my channel, I do reviews about personal finance na meron akong experience or meron akong knowledge. Na ginawa ko na yun ng videos and playlists na makita nyo dito sa taas. At kung bago ka dito sa channel ko, you may want to consider subscribing to my channel. Okay guys, this will be a very short video because it's just relaying to you this information. So, just recently, PDIC announced that they will double the maximum amount na covered ng insurance. If you're not aware, we have a maximum of 500,000 pesos currently na covered ng PDIC insurance. Ibig sabihin lang po nito, once na magsara ang bangko na pinaglagyan nyo ng pera, ay yung kung magkano yung pera na nilagay nyo doon sa bangko na yon na up to 500,000 pesos ay insured, meaning pwedeng ibalik sa inyo ng insurance. Kaya mas mababa yung risk sa pagbabangko kasi alam natin na hindi basta-basta dapat mawala ang pera natin dahil insured naman siya. So medyo limited lang kasi right now na yung 500,000 pesos. Marami ng tao dyan na may pera and hindi sila nakakapag-deposit sa mga online and digital banks or rural banks nang hindi iniisip yung limit. Kasi yun nga, up to 500,000 lang yung insured. So, kunyari, maglagay ako ng 50 million, tapos 500,000 lang yan, tapos nagsara yung bangko. Edi goodbye, 49.5 million na. Parang ganon. Kasi, 500,000 lang ang ibibigay sa inyo ng PDIC. Now, kahit papano, dinoble nila yan, ginawa nilang 1 million pesos na. So, meaning, lahat ng deposit ng up to 1 million peso ay covered na ng insurance. Basahin lang po natin quickly yung press release ni PDIC. So, all banks increase in PDIC maximum deposit insurance coverage. Effective 15 March 2025, the maximum deposit insurance coverage provided by the PDIC is increased to 1 million pesos per depositor per bank. Banks are enjoined to download the new official PDIC digital decal from the link below starting February 28, 2025. Upon effectivity of the new MDIC, banks shall prominently display the new official PDIC digital decal in its official website, official social media pages, digital channels, mobile application ATM, etc. Deposits are now insured by PDIC up to 1 million per depositor. Yan. So, wala namang ibang sinabi. Basically, yun nga lang, nag-increase siya ng up to 1 million pesos. That's all for this video kasi straightforward naman po itong news and wala naman po tayong other na i-discuss about these changes. It's a win-win situation for all of us, lalo na dun sa mga may pera na more than 500,000. Pwede na kayo mag-deposit sa isang bank na i-enjoy nyo yung mataas na interest kung ino-offer nila yon ng up to 1 million, di ba? Yun lang. So just quick lang for our question of the day. Sa tingin nyo, meron bang disadvantage itong move ng PDIC? Well, ako sa tingin ko, wala. Pero meron ba kayo naisip? Kung meron, let me know sa comment section sa baba at may chance kayo manalo ng 1,000 pesos sa ating weekly Gcash giveaway. Yun lamang po for today's video, but before we end, mag-shoutout po muna tayo at shoutout kay at Donna Basilio 8638. Sabi niya, thank you for the review, Sir Pat. Ayan, at Donna Basilio 8638. Shoutout po sa inyo. Maraming salamat at na-appreciate nyo po yung content na ginagawa ko. Thank you so much. I hope you can like this video, leave a thumbs up, and if not, wala nang problema dyan, but continue to support me by subscribing to my channel by clicking the subscribe button and also the bell button sa tabing subscribe para makareceive kayo ng latest notification sa lahat ng upload ko. Again guys, this is Pat Quinto, and you're in Pat Quintos Review TV. Bye-bye!